We're gonna walk down the street in a minute, and just so you can see the base of the street, this is basically what it looks like. So there's a temple here, some pretty cool looking stuff here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is the temple. Beautiful. We're gonna walk down this street. Before we do, I'm also gonna frame. It's kind of interesting. There's some interesting trail right there too. So we have all the detail here. What we're gonna do is go down this street in a minute, but I'm gonna walk towards the shade. Pretty cool space right there. So before we do too, I'm just gonna show some of this street before we go down as well. Just so that you have an idea of the base of this. And I think we can get through in this space right here. Now we can capture some of the space, part of this tree. And so we're going to be walking in a minute, but I just want to capture this right here. So I think this has the same name, Governador Camerini Barbosa. And that's the name of this street that goes all the way down to. So we're going to follow it down. So there's this street right here. And we're going to go down this way. Pretty cool architecture right there. I'm just going to follow this all the way down. It's a temple. It's a nice temple right there. That's a temple that we filmed in that space. Beautiful trees. Then we're going to walk down in a minute. I just want to capture this tree a little bit. Sometimes there's a lot of detail in it, but pretty cool space. Looks like a good climbing tree, actually. Huh. That's the name of the tree. So these, I guess, are Morakai? Sure. Looks like they also number them too. So this is number 90152. So we're gonna follow this one down. There's another one. 90115-3. So I guess one must be the first one. And I guess each one has a number to it. Schoolyard. I don't want to film kids, so I'm not gonna film much in that direction, but you can hear them. Let's see. It's looking for a number, but it's not that important. So we're just gonna keep walking down, and I'm also gonna film other stuff that's around here, including this particular mural. And it looks like you have a mix of Portugal and China. So you got a dragon, and you have ships, and it's written in Chinese, of course, all the boats. And I guess this must be taipa. I don't know what else it would be. Just capture a little bit of detail here. So yeah, I guess this is yeah, okay. This is the taipa. This is that main street that goes all the way down, and then this is all little bits of taipa village, I guess. I don't know. Actually, this must be the way taipa used to be. There used to be over here was used to be a edge of the water, but now it's casinos. So things change. So we're going to keep on filming down this space. I also want to capture some of these alleys, because this particular alley right here, there's a Chinese restaurant that lights up at nighttime. This one right here, there's Chinese lanterns. So I just want to film this space right here. So this one is even lit up a little bit now too. You can see how it's lit up a little bit. I'm just going to step back a little bit. There we go. It's going to film like that. And yep. So if you can see that yellow way in the background right there, that yellow background is where the water used to be, called Villa de Taipa. We're definitely going to walk that way. But I want to film a little bit in this area, and I'm going to come around to that. So yeah, this whole restaurant has little places to eat. You know what's in there? Huh. Yeah, here's more of the same restaurant, I guess. Okay, this is the back street to some of this. Never walked down this street before. Yeah, this is where people kind of put stuff in the back. There's like a little water there. Huh. Huh. Little gold shop. Darts. Oh. It's cool, they play darts right there. Another little alley filled with potted plants. Huh. I never go in this space. But back here there's probably mostly people that work here. They probably sit out on these benches and overlook things. Or people live up there too. Huh. This is a street that I just never walked down. Huh. So interesting. So, Lago del Pante. So we're just going to walk to the beginning of this one, and then we'll conclude that space. And we're just going to film, and we're going to come back here. And this will conclude for this space right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.